What's up, guys? It's your boy JGTechBlog, and I have a guest right here. It's TechRight. What's up, brother?
What's up, guys? Thank you for having me, man.
It's really exciting news. The Galaxy J7 Prime, that's going to be coming out in black, and that's also coming out Monday, January 22nd.
I honestly like all my phones in black. I do like neutral colors like that. I did get my mom the J7 Prime, but it's it's in that gold color, and I think it's nice that they brought it out with that black because some people don't like flashy phones, that flashy color.
We do know that the J7 Prime 32 gigabytes in black will be coming out on the 22nd, and it's going to be $149.
People love that black color, man, on phones, honestly. I like it too. I have to say, personally, I think it looks sleek, looks nice and modern, like that gold. I really didn't get it when they did it with the Moto E4. Right here, the Moto E4. Did not like the color on this.
I think everybody in the comments are agreeing with us. Like, everybody's saying, they love black. Because it goes with everything, to be honest.
Everything, yeah, it does.
And then last but not least, so we're coming out with the new Galaxy J3 Prime. And the J3 Prime, if I'm not mistaken, right now it's in gray. So they're going to be coming out with silver, and it's going to be for $59.99. But that is probably going to be coming out again in January 29th. So you still got to wait a little bit until that comes out. But if you are planning on getting a new phone and that price point, just wait for the J3 Prime. Although, to be honest with you, my recommendation, I think TechRight might go with me on this, the new Aristo 2 is off the hook.
Yeah, definitely.
$59.
Have it right here. You got yours right there.
It's a good phone. Honestly, for $59, you can't go wrong with that.
The only thing that I don't agree with is the glossy back, but you can easily put a case on it.
Exactly. Yeah.
Dude, me and him were talking on a phone call last night, and we were like, dude, we thought it was going to be the most gimmicky thing, how they have on most phones. Like they had on the LG Stylo 3 and all these other phones. We thought it was going to be like a gimmicky little thing like that, They used to have on the what's it called? The Samsung Galaxy Light, or the Exhibit, the old ones. This works great. The only other thing, and I kind of touched on it in one of my videos, is if you do wear glasses, I do recommend taking off glasses when you're taking the scanning or doing the face recognition first, because if you don't have your glasses on while you're trying to unlock your phone's not gonna unlock. So if you want to, take off your glasses real quick and just go like this, then should be good.
Yeah. And somebody in the comments is saying that they don't have a fingerprint scanner. To be honest with you, this is much better. The facial recognition, I thought, like we were talking right now, it's going to be whack and it's not going to work as good.
Yeah.
But it's really good, and that's one of the reasons I actually. At first, I was saying no. I was telling people don't upgrade, but once I seen that feature, and I actually seen that with, I don't know if you realize this, but with the Aristo 2, unlike the Aristo 1, there was like an arc on the side of the glass. So if you dropped it was more likely to break. It was easier.
Exactly. That's the truth.
Yeah, and it'll have more strength to it from the side. So if you do drop the phone, it actually won't break as easy. So for that and the 2 gigabytes of RAM that they added on,
of RAM.
Yeah, made it a little bit faster.
Used to only be 1.5, so
compared to the J3 Prime, I honestly would think that. But at the end of the day, we'll do a comparison. Whatever you guys want to pick, it's your choice at the end. So for the 4400, that's coming back, but not everybody's gonna get the 4400 plan. And the catch in this one is you have to be porting in. So let's say, for example, you have 3 lines currently on your account, and you want to do that 4400 unlimited. That fourth person has to port in from either Sprint, AT&T, Verizon. Can't port in from T-Mobile, by the way, because that's not considered a port in. Because if you guys don't know, T-Mobile owns Metro PCS. So as soon as you get that ported over, you can then change all your lines to be for $400 unlimited.